So hi friends, hi everyone, my name is Chalensur again. Today I'm telling you how to lighting and rendering in 3ds Max with Vray, and this tutorial is a lighting and rendering tutorial. So let's start 3ds Max, and you can see this is a basic interior, and this apply standard material on all these properties. You can see material, standard material. Okay, now, and this is a standard glass material. This is not a very realistic material. It's only basic standard material with lower opacity. Okay, so now first of all you have to set your render settings. So this setting is scanline render setting is default render setting in 3ds Max. So you have to change Vray advanced and click on Vray and change type progressive to bucket and enable GI primary engine. First option irradiance map and click on the default and click on ambient occlusion for contact shadow, and you can see current preset is high, so we don't need a high render now. This is a testing tutorial, so very low, and its rendering setting is complete. Now you have to add lighting in your interior setup. Click on the lights, click on the panel and click on V-Ray. Now you have to click on the first light, V-Ray light. Okay, now we need a mesh light because you have two lamp here and we want to on this bulb. So click type mesh light and click on your viewport. Now you can see this is a Vray mesh light and we need to apply mesh on your light. So click the mesh options, go to the modifier and click on pick mesh and select your bulb. Now you can see your bulb automatically converted in your Vray light. Now this bulb is too much small, so you have to increase your multiplier and intensity of your light like 100, sorry, 100. And now we want a warm light. Okay, so you have to change temperature. Here you type 35,000, no 35,000 not 2500 for the warm lighting. Okay, now we need to add one more light from the window because window capturing light from outside. So here you have to create one more light for window. Press L for left view and drag and drop your light according the size of your window. Press the P, press F3 and press Z and drag and drop your light. Now you can see your light is perfectly set up here. Change width of your light. Okay, now you have to change color of your light, so it should be like a sky color, and you can type temperature like a 25,000 for blue east light. Okay, now set your camera type C, control C I think, and render. Now you can see one of the most problem here. Everything is white. So you need to decrease your intensity of your window light. Multiply decrease one is good, and we don't want to show light here. Go to the option of your light and click on invisible because we don't want to see this light, and start the render again. So you can see here its lighting work perfectly, and we can change the sky behind the window. You can see that's grayish blue, or click render environment and click on the color and darkest blue. Okay, now render again. So now you can see it's look perfectly, and next tutorial will be texturing in Vray of this interior. So if you new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my video, like this video and share with your friend, and if you have any questions, so comment below. Thank you for watching, guys.